प्राप्य वरान् निबोधत।
Wow, such a calm place. I want to live here forever.
Then let's plan to construct a farmhouse in the middle of this place. I have a better idea. We can build a farmhouse and make it a homestay, and we can come whenever we want and earn money by renting it to tourists.
But Mom and Dad, the middle of this land, that where we are huge trees. Why can't we choose another place to construct our farmhouse?
No, I feel if the farmhouse is in the middle, the view will be better with open space all around. So let's cut the trees and build a farmhouse.
Amma, is it you who is talking like this? Is it you, Amma, who never allows anybody else to pluck a banana leaf or a bunch of mango leaves from the trees in our house?
Those are the trees which we have grown and taken care of, but these are the trees which have grown on their own and it doesn't belong to anyone. So what's wrong in cutting them?
How does it matter whether we have looked after the trees or they have grown by themselves? Just because we didn't nurture them doesn't mean that we have the right to cut them. Each plant, animal, bird and insect on this earth has its value and a part to play. In fact, they are more valuable than us. Nature can thrive beautifully without us humans, but we are the ones who need nature to survive.
I think she has a very valid point. We humans often tend to forget, and we think humans are superior species and we rule the universe.
Dad, we not only think that we are superior, we humans often have this selfish mindset where we only value the things which we own or possess. Amma, do you remember the story that you once told me? It was about a queen who learned how to appreciate the value and beauty of nature.
I have been to various places, but this one is so peaceful. I want to build a palace in this place. I am planning to build a palace in this place. But first, I have to cut down all the trees present here. If you help me to do so, I will give you all lots of gems and jewels.
Oh Queen, if you cut all these trees, the birds and the animals who live in this forest will lose their homes.
Yes, they will have no place to stay and will wander into villages and towns. Then again people will torture them and chase them away or even kill them. Why do you want all this to happen? Please build your palace in such a way It doesn't harm nature.
No way. I have made up my mind to build a huge and luxurious palace right here. Let the animals migrate to some other place. I want my palace to be special and unique. Our queen seems really stubborn. If she is not stopped, she will drain whole the place. How do we make her understand?
Let us take her to Guru Mata. Let us go to Guru Mata.
I hear that you want to build a palace here. That's fine. But before you cut the trees and start building, you must grow your own tree and nurture it, water it every day and look after it. After it grows, you must cut it and make the main door out of it.
Sure, Mata. I will do as you say.
From a seedling into a tree I grow fruits, flowers and veggies I give to all. Hugging the earth beneath, stretching to the sky above, shade I give to the parched lies between. Forming the clouds up, pouring the rains down, I fill the lakes, ponds and wells alike. Blowing the cool breeze, donning my green robe, I bring health to innumerable. Ingratitude, human, you swing the axe at my throat, ignorant fool that you are. Vanity makes you forget who nourishes and who drives you to perish in despair. Ravaged greenery, ravaged forests shall sure ravage you undoubtedly. Rains shall vanish, leaving the land parched. Soon you'd be dwelling in a desert. Soon you'd be dwelling in a desert.
Oh, Queen, have you grown your tree well? Yes, I looked after it just like you said.
Good. Now we can cut it and make the main door out of it.
No, I put in so much effort to grow my tree and it's very dear to me. How can I cut it down after all these years?
Look, now that you have grown this tree and taken care of this tree, you are not willing to cut it down. We humans tend to value the things or people who are dear to us. Now, don't you think that everyone and everything on this earth deserves the same value?
You are so right. My eyes were blinded with selfishness and ignorance. Thank you for opening my eyes. I will cancel the plan to construct a palace here. Let this place flourish with lush greenery and beauty forever.
Yes, I do remember telling you this story. I was so ignorant too, just like the queen. Thank you for making me realize the value of Mother Nature. Yes, you're right. Even I cared more about money than nature.
So are we still building the farmhouse in this place?
No way. Let's just come once in a while to relax and rejuvenate ourselves in the beauty of this place.
We love you, nature. We praise you, nature. We thank you, nature, for everything. We love you, nature. We praise you, nature. We thank you, nature, for everything. For everything. For everything.
Look, now that you have grown this tree and taken care of this tree, you are not willing to cut it and make the main door out of it. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಯ್ತದೆ ಈ ಡೈಲಾಗು. Sorry.
Oi.
Yes, I was so ignorant.
ನೀನು ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹಾ ನಿನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಬರತ್ತೆ